back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please remember to subscribe right down here in the corner there. Also remember to give this channel a thumbs up and please share this channel. When you subscribe, also remember to click that subscribe button. And also remember, if you go and purchase any items that I show you or any items on my site, there's a host code right here you can use, and this code is good till June the 28th. And my site is southernangelsstampinup.net. You can go there. We have a new catalog out. I think most of y'all know that. There's a lot of good items there. I was going to show you one of the, and it's called Come Sail Away, Memories and More Card Pack. I tried to show all this before, and so I'll have to redo a lot of this because it was just too much on one video. So I'm just going to show certain things at a time because it was just way too much. So I thought I'd have to just do a little at a time with these packs. So I'm hoping I'm zoomed in enough. Let me go ahead and zoom in some more. Whoops, wrong way, wrong way. Here we go. I hope that's enough. So I want y'all to see how cute these are. And these will make so many cute cards, and not just cards. Oh, I'll have to flip them over. Not just cards. These are double-sided, but you can use them for scrapbooking, journaling. You make journal books. Just trying to think here. You can use them for just about anything. You can cut these out. You can cut all the little shapes out. Many little lighthouses in here. So I should hold them this way. And designs. There's just so many cute designs in here. And you get two of everything. So I guess I should do it this way. This is Destination Happiness. Our story. I love all the lighthouses in this kit. Memories. Hello, Handsome. There's stuff in here that'll make a great Father's Day kit. Father's Day card. Yeah, this will just make anything. I mean, Soaring Free. Any Day with You is the best. You Made My Day. Date, Place, Story. So this would be good for, like I said, journaling, scrapbooking. When you do your planner, you could use these. Cut these things out and use them in your planner, or just use them as they are. And well, I don't have any here with me. Do I have any? Let me see. I don't know if I've got some of those. I don't think I do. Right offhand. I was trying to see if I had any of the little things where you can put cards in with your planner. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I know. People that do planners, if anybody's watching me that does a planner, I know you know what I'm talking about, where you can stick little cards and whatnot in your planner, the little clear pocket things. You could use them in that, or you could punch them and put them right in your planner. Just so many things you could do with these cards. Let your imagination flow. And there are ideas also, I believe, in the catalog that show some ideas. These are these the stick? Yes, these are the stickers. Cardboard stickers too. Nonetheless, they're nice heavy duty stickers. You get 2 packs of these in the kit. And this is what I love about the kit. You get these little stencils. So there's so many ideas you can use with these stencils. Okay. Another stencil. Away. Between each one of these layers, they put a stencil. I love all the stencils. Remember. I guess I should show you the right side of the stencil. I wasn't even thinking. But what's nice about these stencils is there's just so many ways you can use them. You can either use them to put down, dot on ink, or that way, or you can use them as they are and put it down to as a card. Looks like a vintage newspaper or something. Isn't that pretty? World's Greatest Guy. And then this is a wave stencil. And then these are more stickers. And then that's more cards. So let's get all the stickers together so you can... So you get 2 of these stickers. And then 2 of these stickers. So that is the Memories and More pack. And I wanted to just share that with you. If you stay tuned, I'll be sharing more of these with you. And remember, here is the host code. Right here, it's TJU3SPYT. And you have till June the 28th to use this host code. My website is www.southernangels.stampinup.net. Please go and visit my website. And hope y'all have enjoyed this. And I'll see you again soon.